Spaghetti is a popular and comforting dish known all around the world. It's a dish that's easy to make and pairs well with many sauces. Anyone can cook this simple and fresh spaghetti sauce recipe. Start by heating olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add finely chopped onions, celery, carrots, and green peppers and sauté for about 5 minutes until they begin to soften. Lightly season with salt, pepper, onion powder, and paprika. Sauté chopped mushrooms for 1 minute. Brown ground beef for about 5 minutes. Lightly season with salt, pepper, onion powder, and paprika. Remember this tip. I always lightly season my food at first. Why? Because you can always add a little more, but you can never take out. So do not over-season. Add tomato paste and ketchup. Also add all the remainder spices and herbs. Add tomato sauce. Add marinara sauce. Simmer the mixture for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally until the sauce thickens. I like to add red peppers now to sweeten the sauce. Let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, and you'll have a delicious, homemade sauce ready to serve over spaghetti. Whether you're cooking a quick weeknight dinner or a more elaborate meal, spaghetti delivers satisfying flavor with minimal effort. Any recommended dishes or similar dishes you want to learn how to cook, just comment below. Thank you for watching my channel. Track me down. Don't forget to like and subscribe.